Welcome to your N+ Mercedes EQ e-bike. In this video, you will find quick startup instructions to unlock your bike and adjust your power assist using your digital display. First step, turn on the battery by pressing in the button located under the seat. Then, on your handlebars, to the left of your bar controls, you will see the mode button, labeled with a capital M on it, as well as the up and down toggles. Press and hold the M button on your handlebar for 2 seconds to start the display. Next, to activate your bike, you need to bypass the security feature. The default code upon delivery is 0000. Press the M button 4 times to toggle through this code. Instructions on how to set a custom code are located in your user manual. Finally, power assist level is labeled as PAS. The assistance you receive from the motor will depend on the level that you choose. Level 5 is the max assistance, and Level 1 provides the least. Level 0 will allow you to ride the bike as a standard bicycle with no assistance from your motor. You will see your display has a variety of display options, including odometer, speed, power assist, and remaining battery life. To personalize your ride, please refer to your user manual or reach out to support@nplusbikes.com. You are ready to ride.